Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will show you on how you can add size chart on your Shopify Dawn theme. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now I am inside my example Shopify account right here, and the first thing that you want to head into is the apps category. Now you can just go ahead and click on the add apps button, and from here below the pop-up menu we have the Shopify App Store. You want to go ahead and click on it, and from here you want to go ahead and search for RT size. Now you specifically want to find this application right here, which is the RT size chart and size guide. You can just go ahead and click on this application right here, and once inside, of course, you want to install it into your Shopify account. So you'll want to click on the install button, and this additional tab will open up. And from here you can just go ahead and click on install. Now it will take us to the Shopify website once more, and as you can go ahead and see, below the apps category we now have the RT size chart and size guide. You want to scroll down and you want to click on customize app, and from here we can just go ahead and customize this the way we want to. You want to click on the enable button at the product size chart, and so right after following those instructions you can just go ahead and click on add new. And for example, I want to add men's t-shirt on my Shopify account right here, and we can just go ahead and customize this with the sizes that we have. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.